to start off with. And what we're going to do is, if you have a look at the wheel here, there is lots of little circles, and we're just going to look at this middle bit here, and then just grab the clay and just throw it as hard as you can, because you want this to be stuck to this metal part. So I'm just going to throw it like that, and it doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle. We'll just move it slightly by just pulling and pushing it up like that. So once it's there, then what we're going to do is we're going to start centering it. So when it comes to working on the wheel, there's 4 different stages. First part is centering, where we're trying to sink the clay with the wheel. So we want to make the clay part of the wheel, and to do that we need to push it here and there with our hands and just work off with different pressure points. And once it's there, then we start to work on it, and that's where we move on to the second part, where we create a little opening. So again, it's like the whole idea of having a base first and working off up. So it's going up slowly, and my elbow is resting on my knees like this, so I have more control. And all I'm going to do is slowly push, and then relax and lift. Can you see it's kind of forming that little hill-like shape? So I'm going to add a bit of water, and then push it in, and then slowly lift it up. So I'm just waiting until it has that top, like, hill shape, and then all I'm going to do is get your right hand, wrap it around like this, and your left hand, and then push it down like that and hold. So what we're trying to do is get all that clay, compress it, and then push it so it's more in the middle. So when I'm doing this whole process, I'm repeating it again until this clay is nice and smooth and it feels the same as how I touch the side here, or pull the clay from the bottom, and then just lifting it up and spreading it to the top until we have that cylinder shape. So you want to keep on going until we feel like, okay, this is all nicely distributed and it's up, and now we can start to do the 4th stage, where you can shape it as 2 different things. So if you wanted to, I can keep going taller, make it into a nice little cup, or if I want to, I can make the top narrower and make it into a little vase, or if I want to, I can make this wider, make it into a bowl. So if you wanted to do that, all we have to do is get our hands and just positioning it to where we want it to go. So if I wanted this to be narrower, all I'm going to do is get my 2 hands like this, kind of wrap my hand around, almost like I'm hugging it, and all I'm going to do is, as I lift up, I'm just going to close my hands in like this. So can you see how it's